The old St. Augustine Church in Patnongon, Antique is a historic Roman Catholic church established by Augustinian missionaries in 1761.
The church was founded in 1761 and St. Augustine was installed as its patron.
A colonial-era stone church was built by Father Manuel Asensio in 1860 and completed by Father Eustacio Heria in 1895.
The church suffered damages during the Philippine Revolution and World War II and was later abandoned. In 1962, the convent was converted into St. Augustine's Academy of Patnongon Incorporation.
The old church is a heritage site declared by the National Historical Institute, with a Level 2 historical marker installed in 2008.
The new church, located across the streets from the ruins, features a modern design with a low-level, boxy structure and a bell tower.
The feast day of St. Augustine is celebrated on August 28. The church is located at Real Street, Poblacion, Patnongon, Antique.
The church is part of Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Haro and the Diocese of San Jose de Antique.
Ito na, si Kayla lang mato. Yan mo na. Established in... Ay! Wait lang.
Muli ka. Gaon sa ka oi.
Sa CR man na bito. Daan na patura nga niyo. Bakod ba?
Behind the scenes yun, men. Uy, yung ka dyan.
Dumulto si sinang Kayla. Dumulto si
Wala mo ay normal ka nakita na.
Hello.
Shin.
Ay, wala mo ko.
Okay. Hindi magdaang.